Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day and a beautiful Christmas holidays and New Year's. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is still struggling a little bit to hold. It went up to 99,900, almost 100k, and then just dropped all the way back down. We're going to jump into technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. And the team already picked a winner for the iPhone 16. I'm going to show you in the video. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and my account's still hovering around 1 mil, down from 2 days ago. It was at 1.1 when Bitcoin had that pump back to 100k. Since then it dropped, so down 80k from the all-time high. It's down still 260k, so still almost 250,000 down from all-time high. This month still up only around 60,000, so gave back a lot of the gains, that 220k. In the last 3 months, up from 643, so up still around 400k in the last 3 months. But Bitcoin struggling to hold on here. You can see where I entered the trades on Bitcoin on these big sell-offs. I bought at 92, 96, 94, and 92. And then we pumped to almost 100k and then dropped off again. Funding fee slightly positive. My Bitcoin trade again in the negative, down 30k. The funding fee is slightly positive, so not paying too much to hold this trade open. It is a $1.1 million trade, and Ethereum 585. Let's go into the technicals. But it wasn't such a good sign that Bitcoin pumped to 100k and then just dropped back down to 95. You can see here, we had pumped to 99,600, then to 97, then back came to 100, almost touching 100k. It came to 99,950. And then just dropped from 100k all the way down to 95, so huge drop of 5%. On the daily charts, that trend line is the main trend line, so I'd still try to take it from 92,843. I trade 91,361 stop loss and take profit 108. Risk reward is 10 times, risking 1,500 to make 15,000. No leverage, 10x leverage will be 150,000. That's one trade. On the 4-hourly, could be a little bit of inverse head and shoulders forming here. If that plays out, the distance of the head would be how far we go. So if that plays out and we do get a head and shoulders forming, target would be 106,000. 106,000 would be the target. But again, I would try to wait for a pullback because there is some weakness. Bitcoin could easily spike down here and activate. But that inverse head and shoulders has a high chance of playing out. Let's go into Ethereum. 3327. Ethereum, we came up, the top was 4123. Let's go into the daily charts. Let's look on the weekly on the indicator bots. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy 3 weeks ago. Crypto Guru bot fired a buy. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell at 4,100. Hasn't fired a buy. Volume is still increasing on the weekly. On the daily, volume is still strong on Ethereum, but most likely the trend line is this white one you can see, where I would open 3,000, stop loss 2,965, take profit 4,100. On the 4-hourly, also could be forming inverse head and shoulders here on Ethereum. Slight inverse head and shoulders forming. That if it does, target would be 4k. Where I would take a trade, I would still keep it at 3,112 in case there's some spike down. Then the trade will activate. That's the best time to get in profit. I would wait for there because it's very close to that 3,333. Wow, do you see that? Crazy. That's a trade I would take on Ethereum to be more defensive at the moment. Let's go into the total market cap of all cryptocurrency. 3.2 trillion. Big seller from 3.7 trillion down to 3 trillion. Any major pattern? There is some trend line touching here, touches. No major pattern, to be honest. It's just this trend line, I would say. This white trend line is the main. So if anytime you want to get into alts, try to get it off this trend line. So the target of this trend line, 3.1 trillion, would be where you would try to catch trades, like where these two trend lines meet. That's where I would take trades. And again, I'm still in my trade, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin getting a little bounce back. This account 1.02, and my trade still in the negative. Join us in Telegram as well. There's 237 of you online, 800 of you at nighttime. USDT FUD again. Tomorrow, EU to apparently ban the USDT. Make noise if you're in Europe. Complain to your politicians because it's ridiculous. People discussing in here, you can join them as well. Christmas decorations in Paris, which is beautiful. And they already chose the winner of the iPhone 16. My team picked him. Win an iPhone. So here, congratulations. So the iPhone 15, there was win an iPhone 16 Pro for Christmas from JCG. We had 681 submissions and 79,000 views. And you can see everyone that posted. And I've been watching you for more than 2 years. For 2 years following you, James, learned a lot, improved my trading. Thank you first and foremost for teaching your kindness towards everything. Thank you, everyone. There was 600 people and the team chose the winner. I learned to never give up, to learn and study something new every day, to think positively and be kind to all people. And that's not counting the fact that I know how to trade crypto. Big thanks to James. Thank you, Francis. And Francis won the iPhone 16 Pro for Christmas. Merry Christmas and congratulations. A lot of people congratulating him, which is beautiful. And thank you everyone for supporting my Bitcoin and Ethereum videos. This month I'm approaching 6 million viewers this month, 5.6 million impressions, 358,000 media views, almost 6 million viewers in the last month. In the last 1 week, almost 2 million. So crazy views. And you can just follow me on X for those giveaways. And all the links are down below. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, and all the exchanges down below, sign up to Bybit, my favorite exchange, 60K bonus for trading, lowest fees, best liquidity. Weex is great for USA, UK, Australia, $200 sign-up bonus. And they're giving away, there's a lot of big prizes like a Ducati, Rolex. Check it out on Weex. Bitunix is available worldwide exchange, 5,500, no limitations bonus. And jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. That's my updates in the market, everyone. How Bitcoin performs today is going to be very important. If we get a strong bounce back, it'll be very good for the markets. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Love you all. Have an amazing holiday with your family and friends. Congratulations, Francis, on the iPhone 16. Love you all. Have a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.